morning,
How
Nitya
are you
ji.
doing? You're looking very bright today.
Yes. All effect of morning exercises, and it's just been 45 days. Um, but I would not talk about weight. Okay, first, before I start, a small introduction. My name is Sharmila Shetty, 47 years from Mumbai. ये कम्युनिटी में ज्वाइन हुई अराउंड 45 डेज. मैं एक ब्यूटी एंड वेलनेस के ही बैकग्राउंड से आती हूँ, स्टिल वर्किंग फॉर अ मल्टीनेशनल कॉर्पोरेट इन द ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री. कॉर्पोरेट एंड ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री आप समझ ही सकते हो कितना प्रेशर होता है टू लुक गुड. एंड आप खुद ही एक ब्रांड एम्बेसडर होते हो. सो इन दिस इट्स बीन 25 years आई एम वर्किंग. और बहुत सारे चीजें मैंने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है खुद के ऊपर. एंड गूगल बाबा तो है ही आजकल. एवरीवन वांट टू गूगल थिंग्स एंड डू स्टफ. But एक realization also comes after some time. So diet and all I had done. So you reduce weight, but sustainability कुछ नहीं था. जो long term effect है, that was not there. Weight loss होता था, but then जो energy level है वो नहीं होता है. एक radiance, I used to see some people with very radiant skin. कुछ करते नहीं है externally, but they are glowing. I have also seen people, clients who are coming, they are 50 years 60 years but radiant skin hota tha. I used to always wonder ye kya karte hain. We used to suggest them products ye, but they naturally had good skin which you don't get. So that is when I started feeling. Plus the main reason why I came also was deterioration jo aaj aapne sab bataya, function of the brain, lethargic in office means after 15 means midday के बाद फिर energy पूरा low. And we know that we have so much work to do. Come back. I have twin daughters aged 14 in 10th standard. So I had to work on myself, to give others. For, of course, social and outside comes later, but at least my own family, that comes first. If you are not nourished and active and energized, you can't give your family, especially when kids need it. So that's when I thought seriously I did a 10 days program close by. But again, we are we are educated, हम थोड़ा ज्यादा ही खुद को समझ लेते हैं. So I was not sure कि ये लेना चाहिए, should I invest so much, should I. So, and I started online. I checked, kahan se. Then you also think, why is this charge so much? Why should I be paying? You have your calculative analytic analysis that you keep
आपका
doing.
लेफ्ट ब्रेन थोड़ा ज्यादा चल
हाँ, तभी वो अनवांटेड रीजन पे ज्यादा चलने लगा. So I
तो
when
अभी
I got
आपने जब स्टार्ट किया, फाइनली डिसाइड किया, तो आप में ये 45 डेज में क्या चेंजेस आए?
Yeah, so 45 days wait, I would not say much because I realized that I'm not doing maybe the food, but energy level, जो आपने बोला positiveness, I started seeing that. My coach, whom I got online, is Sweet Couple. He's been, and that is where I really started valuing community, एसोसिएशन बीइंग लिंक्ड. बिकॉज मेरा इंटेंशन जब स्टार्ट किया था सिर्फ न्यूट्रिशन लेने का था. आई थॉट मैं ऑनलाइन खरीदूंगी, बट आई गॉट इन टच विद दीज पीपल एंड ही देन पुट मी इनटू द ग्रुप. And I said, why not? When one thing I would say कि I have joined many groups जहाँ पे exercise कराते हैं, online yoga, you're paying for it. We don't value things that we get free. You
Right.
pay so much to get classes and stuff. People are selling nowadays online everything, whether it's yoga, exercise, or whatever classes you want to do. I said, why not? So फिर वो बोलते ना, we talk about mentor and coaches. I am also by pranic healer by passion. तो हम बोलते एक गुरु होना चाहिए in everything, whether it's spirituality, whether it's a mentor in office, whether it's. So I just said, forget all this. Guru हो, समर्पित रहो. So now whatever I eat, because weight कम नहीं हो रहा था after investing so much of time and money and energy. If you don't follow things to the T and follow the person who knows things, if you don't do that, you don't achieve result. So now whatever I've been told by Shruti and Deepak, I just blindly follow it. I don't use my cognitive or left brain. I think जहाँ पे चलना नहीं चाहिए left brain, don't use it. जो भी खाती हूँ, whatever I pick up small things also, I just post it that I'm having this. If the combination is not good, he tells me कि ये करो वो ये मत करो. So I think being associated, being this, I've also understood I'm a person who's very impatient. I've done a lot of things and I just leave it. And everyone, even what Deepak made me understand, कि everyone's body is not the same. Time लगता है. So I have decided ये मेरा target है. Whatever needs to be done, whatever has been told to me done. So you can see it's been 45 years. I have picked up everything that he's. I was
Amazing,
just
amazing.
having that.
You have
Now
brain health with you.
I'm going to take it. Today was a
Amazing.
good session. I'm definitely going to take because my daughters are in 10th. They will be going to 10th. So that's why I was questioning a lot ki what age group can take it, whether they can take it, because I think a lot of things age wise also it. So I'm definitely that's my
यूजुअली हम लोग रेकमेंड करते हैं कि अबव 18 यूज करना चाहिए, बट माय डॉटर पर्सनली वो 16 साल की है, तो लास्ट ईयर उन्होंने 10th दिया था एंड आई डिड मेक हर यू नो यूज मल्टीविटामिन एंड ब्रेन हेल्थ. उनको वो ना स्वॉलो करने को तकलीफ होती थी तो वो डायरेक्ट चबाती थी. ओके, बट I've seen that lifestyle changes. ये न्यूट्रिशन, शी हैज बीन हैविंग दिस न्यूट्रिशन शेक विद मी राइट फ्रॉम लास्ट 10 years, जब से वो 6 साल की थी. ओके, शी वाज ऑन किड्स न्यूट्रिशन कॉल्ड डाइनो शेक एंड उसके बाद ये रेगुलर शेक जब से वो 10 साल की हुई है हमारे साथ ये शेक स्टार्ट किए हैं. एंड जब वो 10th में थी, ताकि वो ओवरवेल्म ना होए, आई हैड स्टार्टेड दिस. Okay,
yeah, so even I
बिंदास
shifted.
आप
Being a mother, we
कर
all
सकते
know,
हो.
who all our mothers know that we want to give the best to our child.
Right.
Or if you're a
Right.
working mother, that's always back of your mind, you know, कि हम ऑफिस में ये
Absolutely.
खा रहे हैं, खिला रहा है कोई कि नहीं. So this gave me a relief that, you know, okay. So initially बहुत
Right.
resistant था. They were like नहीं चाहिए ये flavor. मैंने सब flavor I got. I said try करो जो अच्छा लगता है
Very
लो.
good.
So
Very
they
good.
got
Very good.
acquainted. अभी मुझे they only call me from, you know, office. Baba, I'm hungry. Can I have a shake? तो मुझे
Thank you so much, Sharmila ji, for your valuable time and for all of this amazing information.